Hey, so in this demo we are going to test Keploy integration capability using Gin and MongoDB. So if you haven't installed Keploy in your machine yet, don't forget to install it on your machine. So you can using the like curl command, or you can just use the Docker to install it on the Linux. So I have Keploy installed in my machine, so I will skip this part. The first thing we have to do is we have to clone a sample URL Shortener app. You can just git clone this command. I have already cloned this repo in my machine. You can see it here, so I will skip that part. So yeah, in this demo we will be using Docker Compose to run the application as well as MongoDB on Docker container. So the first thing we have to do is we have to fire up the application and MongoDB instance with Keploy. So you can do that using this using this command. I will just paste it in my terminal. So yeah, the Keploy has been started. It started recording the API calls for the application. You can see that it generated Keploy something like Keploy folder here. So yeah, I will get back to it soon. So getting log like this. Yeah, I also got it. So now we have to make some API calls. So you can do it using Postman, Hopscotch, or even curl. So I will be using the curl command here. You just copy it in your terminal and another terminal. So yeah, we have got something like this, TS and URL. Okay. So now we will see what we have got. It generated test1.yaml here. You can see that the URL is http localhost 8081 and it has something timestamp like this, right? And you can see the body.ts. Yeah, got something like this in the terminal. So then we are on the right track. Okay, so here is peek of what we get. So yeah, you can see the test.yaml and the mocks.yaml here also. So now we have to do some more magic here. Like we will just redirect to the original URL using this URL, shorten one. Okay, so we will just use the curl command here. Now we have got something like CADA. You can see that we have got something like test2.yaml, and you can see the same command here, URL here, http localhost like this. Okay, sorry, I missed something in this. Yeah. So now the time to put it in a box. Now we will just test the Keploy using the Keploy test command. Before it, we have to just stop the Keploy record. We will just stop recording the Keploy API calls. Now just paste the Keploy test command in our terminal. Yeah, done. So it started verifying your test cases. Now you can see here what he has done. Actually, it has generated test run summary for the two tests, 1 and 2. The total test pass is 2 and total test fail is 0. You can see that here. And the time taken to run this so if you want to try it more, you can just try different API calls, tweak the DB response in the mocks.yaml, or fiddle with the request response in the test.yaml. So you can then run the test again and see the magic unfold. So yeah, that's it about the Keploy integration with the Gin and MongoDB.